Welcome back, aliens. My name is Davin Reddy, and in this video we'll talk about one of the secret for success, and that is being prepared for the opportunity. A lot of people, they talk about luck. They say we are not lucky enough to get the opportunity. But what if I say opportunity is something which knocks your door every time? In fact, for some people it is very frequent, for some people it is normal, but it keeps knocking your door. The only problem is, are you prepared to grab it? In fact, there's a very famous quote about luck. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Let me share a live experience here. So in my life as well, I was able to grab some opportunities and I missed most of them. I always wanted to be a corporate trainer, so when I joined a company as a developer, I was giving training to my juniors. I was giving training in different institutes, but those are small institutes. And I wanted to be a corporate trainer because that is somewhere I can implement my skills, the development skills plus my teaching skills. And to be a corporate trainer, you need to have a different skill set. Other than developers, other than being a trainer, you need to have combination of both. So we were supposed to be good with the content, good with the delivering part. And then I applied to different locations, different places with different, with informal way, not a formal way. And one day I got a call. It was 7 a.m. I thought it's an alarm from a mobile phone, but it was a call. And then I picked up a call, and it was basically it was an interview call. And they talked about we discussed about my experience. We discussed about the content. How much comfortable I'm with the content. And after that, I was thinking, okay, there will be at least 1 week for me for preparation. And they said the training starts from today, because the training was assigned to someone else, but that trainer was not well on that day. So they wanted a quick replacement, and they were not able to find other trainers, and they got me. So I got the opportunity thanks to the experienced trainer who got ill. Okay, that's unfortunate, but it was fortunate for me, and I got the opportunity. And so that was one of the things. So I was ready for the opportunity, right? What if I was not prepared for the content? What if I was not prepared with the delivery skills? I could have missed it, right? And so there were some other incidents as well. Example, I got an opportunity in one of the big company thanks to the software development skills which I had. So I was taking a training in some small institute about software engineering, which was helpful for me for the big company. In fact, I'm not saying I was able to grab all the opportunities. I missed a lot of opportunities. Example, it was one of the very big company in India, and they wanted a trainer. The company was big. The package was better than any other training. Everything was good. The only problem is they wanted someone with Java knowledge. Of course, I was comfortable with that. And they wanted someone with Angular JS, because they wanted a trainer who knows both. So Spring services, Spring framework and Angular. I was knowing JavaScript a bit at that point, but Angular was I've never trained Angular. I was knowing how to work with Angular, because as a developer you just need to find ways to make a product, but for training you need to know you should be knowing everything. I was not good with that, and I missed the opportunity. So yes, in your life, you'll be missing some opportunities, but to be lucky, you need to prepare yourself to grab the opportunities. Don't think some opportunities as noise, because it looks like noise, but try to analyze the opportunities and grab them. And for that, you need to prepare from today, because you never know, while you're watching this video, you might get a mail from the company which you want to work for. And if they say there's an interview call tomorrow, what you will do? And I'm sure there are a lot of opportunities which is coming online nowadays. In fact, a few days back, I talked about internship, and some people were not ready for the opportunity. So that's the thing, So you should be always ready for the opportunity. You never know when it will knock your door. Now, how will you prepare it? So whatever you want to be, just start learning them, start implementing it. If you want to be a developer, of course, you need to learn languages, you need to learn software development skills, and you need to also make projects. That's how you'll be ready for the opportunities. And plus some soft skills, because a lot of people, they miss this thing about soft skills, good with the language, good with the communication style and all those stuff. Just improve it. That's how you prepare for the opportunity. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope you'll be ready for the next opportunities. So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.